Hello, Tiger Nation. This is Breckenridge County High School Principal Adam Cox. I bring this video to you to go over our scheduling for the 2021-2022 school year. As most things have happened during the year 2020 and 2021, scheduling for the school year will look just a little bit different this year as it has in the past. But I'm excited to announce that we have prepared thoroughly to provide each one of our students and families at home enough information to be confident in the decisions you make when you're picking out your schedule for the 2021-2022 school year. So this little video is going to be a tutorial on how to do your scheduling for the school year. Today is March 1, and we will be having our scheduling open from March 1 through March the 19th. So that is a 3-week window to do your schedules. Every student will need to log into their Infinite Campus in order to complete this. All the information is on our website, and I'm going to go through that and show you how to do each one of those. On our school website will be the bchs.brick.kyschools.us, or you can just go to Google and type in Breckenridge County High School. Once you go to that, you'll notice here on the bar where it says Breckenridge County High School, you'll click on Academics, and then BCHS, Course Offerings and Course Registration. You will click on that, and that takes you to this page right here. And you'll scroll down a little bit to where it says Course Registration, and it'll be for incoming freshmen, incoming sophomores, incoming juniors, and incoming seniors. You will then click on one of those, whichever one that fits you. So let's act like I'm an incoming sophomore, so I'm going to click on the incoming sophomore, and it'll bring me to the course registration and how to do that. There are a few things that you'll have to do before registering. So the pre-registration information is right here. You can click on required courses. What that would do is help you look at all of our courses that we offer here at the high school that are required, our English, Math, Science, and Social Studies classes, Arts, Humanities, PE, and Health. It'll let you know what classes are required as a sophomore. Then you would go back to this. You can also look at your career pathway and courses web pages. And what this does is to allow you to know all of our pathways that you would want to pick to see how you fill out your elective courses. The second thing you want to do is familiarize yourself with the BCHS course maps. I think this is a really cool part of our website, and I would like to thank Miss Jamie Anthony for creating most of this, if not all this, on our website. She's done a great job with this, and this course map is really nice. I looked at this earlier, and this is very helpful for those families and students at home that might just have a tough time understanding what's going on, because a lot has changed since you were in school and since when I was in school. Miss Anthony created this as a great way of finding out what you need to do in order to graduate. So if you're a BCHS pre-college pathway, this is a sample of what you would take all 4 years. This helps out a lot. So you can scroll down through here and find out if you're in the ROTC program or the BCHS Flight and Aeronautics. This is just a sample selection of what you would want each school year. Very nice work and very helpful when you're going through here and doing your schedule. So I really appreciate the work that she's put into that. Once you get down to that, you're going to go. Once you familiarize yourself with what you're wanting to take, you might get a pen and paper, a piece of paper out, and a pencil to write down what you're wanting to take. Once you're ready to start registering for classes, you would then click on this link right here is your Infinite Campus website. You would sign in as a campus student. If you're not familiar with what your logon is, you'd want to find that out before you do this. But once you go on through here, and it also says right here, if you do not already have an account or do not know your password, fill out this form. So there is information there to get your Infinite Campus information there readily available for you. But once you get in there, you would follow these directions here. Once into your Infinite Campus account, you would click on the menu, click on More. You would go to Course Registration. The option will appear. We have opened this, so you are able to go through here and do this. And you would go through all these steps right here in order to do your scheduling. After, if something happens, I want everybody to know this as well too. If you do slate to schedule and 2 or 3 weeks go by and you're not happy with that, we're not going to have any student lock into something they don't want to take. So you would get a hold of the school or fill out this after registration form, and we'll go back in there and change your schedule for you. At any point during this process, if you have any questions at all, please contact Miss Butler, Miss Dow, Miss Anthony. Contact me, contact Mr. Bennett, Mr. McElfresh. Any one of us are here to help you make sure you get the schedule that you want for the 2021-2022 school year. One other really neat thing I would really like to share, because one of the questions that we get a lot, what classes do you offer, or what does that class even do? Or when you get into the class and you're confused, like, well, this is not what I thought this class was going to do. Would like to thank Mr. John Miller. He's our transition area readiness coordinator. And also like to thank Magnify Media, Miss Butler, Miss Dow, Miss Anthony, all the work that they put into this. I also like to thank all of our teachers here at the Breckenridge County High School and all of our teachers at the Area Technology Center. They have done a tremendous job at providing this new little piece here that I would like to share with each one of you. Again, one of the questions we always get is what does this class do? What are they? What is it all about? So those people that I mentioned right before that have just worked with this Magnify Media group to produce a video for each one of our pathways and each one of our courses that are offered here. It's a tremendous opportunity for all of our students to know what they're getting into. And it's also good for our families to know all the availability that's out there that's available here at this high school. 4 years ago, this high school offered 11 pathways. It now offers 27 pathways. I think this just speaks volumes for what we do here at the high school to provide opportunity for our students. Truly, there is something here for everyone. And I like it because it's not necessarily designed specifically for the college-bound student. We've got all kinds of pathways that are available for these students to go into anything that you can think of, whether it be machining, welding, industrial maintenance, computer tech, anything that you can think of, we now offer it here at this high school. So the students of Breckenridge County are very blessed to have this. But if you will go to this page again, and again, this is at our, I'll start over from our website here. You go to academics, and you go to course offerings and course registration. At that point, you would click on our career pathways part here and courses. And once you click on that, you're going to be able to scroll down here and see all the pathways that we offer. What's right for me? You've got agriculture, ROTC, business marketing, education, flight and aeronautics, health sciences. So let's go to flight and aeronautics, because most time people think that means I got to be a pilot if you have that. Once you go to this, it's got a little description of what we offer. But then you click on right here where it says, here's a bit. Want to hear a little bit about the course available in the flight aeronautics straight from the teacher? Watch this video below. And you would click on this and listen to Mr. Paul Rotrammel speak about this program. Phenomenal work, great, and it's great. We're very blessed to have this opportunity. Great videos here, great information. But we offer that for every one of our courses that we offer here, all the way from our pathways to our electives to our dual credit programs to our AP and dual credit classes that are offered by our teachers. So this is a very neat part of our website. Again, this is under the academics portion where it says class offerings and course registration. You can also look at our electives we offer. It also has videos on there from all those classes as well. So I hope this was helpful. Please know that you're not doing this by yourself. You have us available here at the school at any time. The phone number here at the high school is 270-756-3080. You can also contact any one of us via email anytime to help you with this. Miss Dow and Miss Butler and Miss Anthony are readily available to meet with your student that is going through the scheduling process via Google Meet, where they can get a one-on-one session and work with them. If they're in person, swing by the guidance office at any time to work with them on getting your schedule for the 2021-2022 school year. Well, I appreciate your time. Thank you all. Again, if you have any questions, please contact us here at the high school. Have a wonderful day.